If there is a Mbira, a lot of medium spirits are invited to come. They also invite Mbira players to provide the music. The music is very, very important. You know, why we say the music is very important, it's the music that actually summon the spirits. We don't go straight to God. We have to go through our ancestors, because they are the ones who died long time ago, and they are the nearest to God. We are not nearer to God. We are the living ones. Long time ago, the rest of Zimbabwe was playing copyright music, including myself. I even played rock and roll, you know, and soul music, and also underground music that they used to call heavy metal stuff. I played that, and that was, well, some experience. I don't regret playing copyright music, because it taught me a lot of things that I didn't know. When I changed from copyright to my own music, I had become matured. I was looking for identity. Long time ago, yesterday I was a child, and today I'm a man. So I have to be called Thomas Mapumo. I cannot be called Elvis Presley. I decided to search for my own music, which is the music of the people of Zimbabwe, the music that I'm playing today, and the music that was born out of the liberation struggle.
Okoyo, take cover!
During the struggle, with my group, we used to tour the whole country. And we used to go every corner to corner of the whole country. And that made us have a chance of talking to the boys themselves in the bush. They would give us their message, what they want us to tell the people, since we had the chance to move around the whole country. So we took these words and make up a song. Of course, make it in a clever way, using proverbs that the then government wouldn't understand what we're talking about, but people would understand. So would record that song, release it, and try to use the regime's media to send up the message to the people throughout the whole country.
The Chimrenga songs and the traditional beat or the traditional rhythm sounds are really linked together in such a practical way, which, you know, made us as easy and free to fight the liberation struggle as was possible. Simply because when we hear our grandmothers, our mothers, fathers, brothers could play these rhythms, but with different wording, mostly being of a happy song. Gatifare, 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 tese, nunura umwe, we together, yeah. And that's what they will be playing. And now I take that sound, but I take off the words now. But the whole sound is what we have. And on the sound, I put Ngatirwe now, which means let's fight them now. Because the meaning is the present sense and the present happening, the present reality, it caught everyone, So music did a very vital role campaigning for the good of the freedom fighters, telling the reality.
Pandarina ondo. Pandarina unzwisisa. Pasne mabunu. Pasne mabunu.
Settler regime which was here didn't show or let it out that surely the guys are conquering. So because I knew we are conquering and I didn't like to hide as they were hiding. So I sang Maruza Wapambe Fun. And this song means you are losing. The general chorus will be Maruza Imi, Maruza Ka. It all means you have lost, and definitely you have lost. I would like Ondo Maiona Ka Imi Wapambe Fun, Maruza Imi, Maruza Ka, Yere Wapambe Fun, Imi Wapambe Fun, Onde Zanuka Chimure, Iwa Wapambe Fun, Ona Vakauya Zimbabwe, Vaine Gidike Kutanga Vachiti Vanovhima Vodzoke, Kuri kunyepa Wapambe Fun, Uwe Uwere Wapambe Fun, Wapambe Fun, Kadi Wapambe Fun, Onde Zanuka Chimure, Imi Wapambe Fun, Ona Vakauya Zimbabwe, Bakuzirite, Baku America, Baku France, Baku Canada, Baku Germany, Vakakanikwa nenzara.
Panguva yehondo taimba dzimbo dzechimurenga pamusana pokuti tainge tiri kurangarirawo zvaiitika panguva iyoyo. Tainetseka mabasa ese ataiita, tanga tisina kunyatsosununguka. Saka dzimbo dzechimurenga dzataimba idzi taiitira kusimbisa hondo nguva iyoyo kuti irwiwo nesimba. Saka yezvino takazopindura dzimbo idzi tikabva tatora chuni chete yenziyo dzechimurenga tichinjira munziyo dzataakuimba mazuva ano. Takatora mazwi edu nokuti yezvinezvi tasununguka, saka mabasa edu taakuita takareruka. Saka tichiimba dzimbo idzi tichiisa chuni yechimurenga kuitira kuti zvitirerukire pakushanda kwatinoita.
Muzimbabwe
Muzimbabwe tine mbira dzakasiyana siyana.
vazezuru vane yavo, vakorekore vane yavo, vamanyika vane yavo. Uyu yake sokutaura kwaanoita nedzimbo dzake. Sezvo muri kuona kuti panapa pabhodhi panapa ndine dzavadzimu, rimwe zita ichinzi madandanda. Dzinonzi chii?
We are a musical, nation. People who love to sing music and play instruments. We have a lot of, strange traditional instruments besides the Mbira itself. The word Chimurenga means struggle. Yes. The music is the voice for those who cannot speak for themselves.